What's going on, everybody? David here. Today we're going to talk travel photography. So there's a few things that I do before every trip that I kind of set up my my game plan. So I have to figure out what I'm going to do. So let's say I'm going to Paris. I went to Paris for 5 days. So I'm going to Paris for 5 days. I need to kind of figure out where I'm going to be taking pictures and how I'm going to work it. So the first thing that I do is I will go on Google. I'll type in Paris and pull up the images and see what's out there. So see where people have taken pictures in Paris. And most of them are geotagged, so I can look and find the exact location where those pictures are taken. So I'll jot down some notes there. I'll also go on 500 Pics. Now 500 Pics is a great website because they have some really nice high resolution images. And usually it's the best of the best is on 500 Pics. So I'll type in Paris on there. I'll check out those pictures. They're also geotagged. I can find the geotags there. And it just gives me kind of an idea of what's going on, where are the good places to take pictures in the city. Now, the next thing that I'll do is I will look at meetups. So I'll go to meetup.com, meetup.org. I can't remember what it is, but I'll go to for meetups. So I'll look to see what's going on in the area, the photographers, like photography meetups, and they'll have different events and stuff generally that's going on. So I'll find one of those. And if it's something that I think I'd like to take pictures, or, place where I'd like to take pictures, I'll sign up for that. I'll try to do it the first couple of days that I'm there. And that's for a few different reasons. The main reason is I want to have some time so I can take pictures later on. So let's say I'm staying there 5 days. Let's say the second day I go on this meetup. Now I have 3 more days where I can go take pictures on my own. So I like to do that. Another good thing about meetups is most people are very friendly in these meetups. And you tell them, hey, I'm coming from another country and I just want to take pictures and all that. A lot of photographers, they'll pull you aside and say, hey, come with me and we'll go take pictures the next couple of days or what have you. So that's also great. The next thing that I'll do is I'll look for photography tours. So most major cities will have photography tours. When I went to Paris, there was a photography tour going on and it cost me, I think it was about $200. So they're not cheap, but it's a good way to have someone take you around to the different areas. And like I said, first or second day, that's when I like doing that. So the next few days, I'm able to go on my own. So photography tours is something that's definitely good. Now, the other thing that I like doing is going to a camera shop. And it's kind of weird, but you just go to a camera shop. You might buy an SD card or buy something there. But when you're at that camera shop, strike up a conversation with the people behind the counter. Most of them are photographers, and they'll have a variety of different ideas. Hey, you should go here, you should go there. Oh, this is a great hidden spot here. So you can get a lot of tips and pointers from tips on places to go to take pictures, as well as schools. They might have a college there, photography. They have photography majors and all that kind of stuff. So you can go to a college and just kind of strike up conversation with people. If they know you're coming from another country and you're a photographer, and they're more than willing to help you and say, hey, because I know that's the way I would be. If I'm out and someone comes up to me and they take pictures, I would be, I would try to give them as much, because I know I would give them as much information as I can, because I know how I would be if I was in another country. So, and then the last thing here is look for, see if you can get a guide, someone to take you around. When we went to Costa Rica last year, we paid a guide, and we paid him in total, I think it was about almost $400 between the two of us. And they took us everywhere, or this guy took us everywhere, all around Costa Rica. And if you don't know, Costa Rica it's a small country, but most of the destinations and places where you want to take pictures, they're spread out. So you can't just rent a car and drive it to all these different places. I mean, you can, but you're going to be driving for hours. We would drive to one spot, be there for 30 minutes, and then drive 3 hours to another spot and be there. So everything is spread out in Costa Rica. So having a guide is perfect. And these guys do this for a living. They drive around all the time, so they know these different destinations. They know the different little hidden spots, and you don't even have to think about it. All you have to do is say, go on Google or go on 500 Pics, find the picture, find the geotag, and tell them, hey, I want to go here, and they'll be able to take you there. So those are my tips when it comes to travel photography and how to set it up. And once you get there, like I said, you'll have a lot of people that are really open to talking to you and trying to get you in the right direction and really help you out. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys later.